Our number one stamping plate of 2023 that everybody seemed to like just love. This is called Swirls. M357. Do you think we could have came up with a better name? List your comment if we came up with a better name. I'm interested to hear your comments. Let me know. Coming in at number 2, we have M323, and this plate is very versatile. It has a lot of variety here. Just on one plate, you could create tons of manicures. So super, super cool there. Coming in at 3 and 4 happens to be collabs from the same person. We have Anastasia Art M364. I think this plate is called Celestial Wings. It's very ornate, beautiful, dainty imagery, a lot of line works. I love the look of this. And then another collab concept from Anastasia Art, which is M361. This is star signs. This plate I've used a ton of times. You know, for those of you that picked up this plate, what is it about this plate that you just loved? But there's so many ways you can use this. And, you know, I love the opportunity for plates like this to kind of go outside the box than just the design itself. So if you're into that kind of thing, I can definitely see why people picked up this plate. And so the final plate is terrazzo. I love this plate. There's so much you can do with this, so many color combinations. You pick this one up first, then you stamp over it with this one, and then you stamp over it with this one. It's completely up to you. It's so cute. I don't know. Let me know. Do you guys like terrazzo? I'm really feeling the terrazzo look. It's so pretty. And I think maybe it's because you can kind of, you know, create your own color combinations too. So yeah, are you guys surprised at the list? Was there something we released last year that you think should have been on the list? Let me know in the comments.